Just picked up this 2000 Century center console 1901 bay boat that's in decent shape. Does have some bumps and bruises that I'll be attending to. Comes with this 96 Johnson Evinrude 130 horsepower V4 two-stroke motor. Previous owner started it up, have some issues that I'm going to have to address. Has back here this transducer that is not even hooked up. It's going to be coming off. And as you can see, it sits on this 1999 Loadmaster trailer that's in really good shape here. The previous owner took off all the vinyl decals, so I'll be replacing probably just the logo and then giving this boat a really good polish. And then up here it has this GPS trolling motor. I haven't decided if it's going to stay on the boat or not, but it's in decent shape. Again, like I said, this has a pretty good trailer. Has these boat guides. One of the boat guides in the back is missing, so I haven't decided if I'm going to get the other one or not. The tires are junk. They're going to need to be replaced. Get inside the boat here. You can take a look here. This is one of the first hatches that needs to be fixed or replaced. This battery is junk. It's going to be taken out. This whole area inside here is also going to be cleaned up. The VRO, I'm going to disconnect that and set it aside while attending to all the wires and hoses in there that need to be cleaned up. Then you go on this side, on the other side of the boat, and comes with a small little live well that I need to get in there and clean up. Again, another hatch that needs to be replaced, so I'll be taking care of that. The seats are in okay shape. They're kind of held together with duct tape right now, so they'll be fixed a little later on there. Console itself is in really good shape. The controls are solid, and it did have a marine stereo, but the previous owner that loves duct tape just duct taped it up, so I'll get one to replace that. The switch panel here, all the switches are junk, the breakers are junk, so all those are going to get replaced with new ones. That whole panel is going to get fixed. Again, more tape on the top with holes underneath that are going to need to be filled and fixed. And then cup holders put inside there as well. Going to go to the front of the boat here, and you can see the front facing seats, again held together with duct tape, but in decent shape. This is a little storage box for tackle gear and whatnot. Underneath here is a cooler, can also be probably turned into a live well. And this boat has a lot of storage, so this is storage on this side here. It's pretty big. Another one same size, another deep storage, which is really nice. It also has this floor hatch, and inside here is some more storage. It's another hatch that needs to be fixed, so I'm taking care of that a little later on here, but a lot of room inside there. No leaks in this boat at all. Another forward hatch here. The previous owner put his batteries up in here that were for the trolling motor and the fish finder that he had. Here in the anchor locker, there's a prop in here that's junk, so I'm going to throw it away. The light here, the bow light, it does work, which is good, as all the lights on this boat work, but the wiring does need to have a good once over. Has a nice Bimini top that covers over the center console, which is really nice to put up during when you need some shade on those sunny days. The wiring and the hoses here are all going to need to be put together and fixed up. This motor needs a good polish to it as well. So other than that, I'm pretty sure I'm going to find some issues within the boat that I'll need to attend to, but other than that, it should be a fun little project here. So stay tuned.